Greetings everyone. In this video we are going to start sum number 8 of exercise 2.1 chapter 2 fractions. The statement of 8th sum is Jack and Jill took 10 is to 5 by 11 minutes and 13 is to 3 by 7 minutes respectively to complete an assignment. Who completed the assignment faster and by how much time? In this statement, two students Jack and Jill, they are completing an assignment. Jack is completing his assignment within 10 is to 5 by 11 minutes and Jill is completing his assignment within 13 is to 3 by 7 minutes. And we have to check who completed the assignment faster. That means the child who is taking lesser time out of these two times will complete his assignment faster, and by subtracting the value we will get the time by how much time he or she is completing his assignment faster. So what we are going to do, we will convert this time into improper fraction. Afterwards we will compare by making them like fractions. We will compare both the values and will get to know that which student have completed the assignment faster. Okay, so let's start the solution. So students, I have written over here time taken by Jack, that is 10 is to 5 by 11 minutes, and time taken by Jill, that is 13 is to 3 by 7 minutes. First of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 11 into 10 plus 5 divided by 11, that will be equals to 11 tens are 110 plus 5, that will be equals to 115 divided by 11. And similarly on this side we will write it as 13 multiplied by 7 plus 3 divided by 7. 13 sevens are when you will multiply it will be 91 plus 3, that will be equals to 94. So the value will become 94 upon 7 minutes. Okay, here it is 115 upon 11 minutes. Now to compare that which value is lesser, we have to make them the like fraction. To make them like fraction, what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of 11 as well as 7. Okay, so LCM of 11 and 7, as all of you know that I have already told you in the previous videos also, that whenever we are having two factors that they are not arriving in the same tables, we can directly multiply them to get the LCM. So 11 sevens are 77. Okay, so in the next step what we are going to do, first value is 115 upon 11. Now with which term we have to multiply 11 to get 77? We multiplied this term by 7 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So after getting the multiplication of 115 into 7, the result will be equals to 805 divided by 77, and the second term, that the timing taken by Jill, is 94 upon 7. Okay, now this 7 will be multiplied by 11 to get the value as 77 in the denominator, and when 94 is multiplied with the 11, this will be equals to 1034, that is 1034. So these two becomes the like fraction. So here we can write as 805 divided by 77 is less than 1034 divided by 77. So what does it mean? If this value is lesser, that means time taken by Jack is less than the Jill. So that means who complete the assignment faster? Its answer is Jack. Yes, as this value is less than this, so Jack completed the assignment. Jack completed the assignment faster than Jill. And the second part was by how much time? By how we can find? By subtracting 1034 upon 77 from 805 upon 77. When we will subtract these two values, as you know that this is the like fraction, directly we can subtract them. 77 1034 minus 805, this will be equals to what? By subtraction, we will get its answer as 229 divided by 77 minutes. So this is the required answer of sum number 8. Here in the statement, what was given to us? That there are two students, Jack and Jill, who were completing the assignment in the given time, and we have to check who complete the assignment faster and by how much time. For this question, what we have done time taken by Jack, that I have converted into improper fraction. Time taken by Jill, that I have converted into improper fraction. After getting these two fractions, I have converted them into the like fraction. After getting the like fraction, I just compare them, and the value that is lesser, the time taken by the student was Jack complete the assignment faster than Jill. How we get to know? By getting this value, by comparing them. The fraction in which the numerator is less will be the lesser value, and the like fraction in which the denominator is greater will be the greatest value among the given values. So corresponding to this, we get the result: Jack completed the assignment faster than Jill, and by how much time? We subtract this value and get the answer as 229 upon 77 minutes faster. Jack complete the work. Jack completed the assignment faster than Jill. Okay, and the next question of the same exercise, 9th and 10th, they are also based on the same concept. In that questions also, you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and afterwards whatever the given in the statement, you will try yourself. If you will have any problem in the next questions, you can ask me. Okay, thank you everyone.